Hi everyone, Mark again from ProKPI. In our previous video, I showed you from the admin panel how anyone can create a window. So in this video, I will show you after creating the window, how the user will see it and how they will set up the goal and everything. Let's go. So I am logging in the system using the user's details. So when a user will log in, he will see a window like this window. Okay, so here he will see which current window is ongoing and his last 2 KPI average mark and his all-time average. So if I click on my KPI profile, so I will see that in which windows I am in and what's the status of the window. So if I see at the first window, for this window, the goal setup is ongoing. I will get all these things notification here also. So if I click on the window, I will see that I am already included in this window and I am requesting to set up the goal within the time period. So for this window, the minimum goal number was 2 and the maximum number of goal was 10. So I have to set a goal within 2 to 10. So by default, the minimum number of goals setup windows are here, and I have to write the goal here and what will meet the goal and what will exceed the goal. Everything have to be written here. And at the time of setting up the KPI window, the admin set up a mark, a weightage here. So I have to distribute the total weightage within my goals. So if I want to add a new goal, I can do it here. I can do new goal setup here, and I can set up to 10 goals because the maximum number of goals for this window is 10. If I want, I can delete any goal from here also before setting it up. And if I give this goal a mark, for example 50, so for the next goal I will see that the remaining weightage is 50 because I have the full weightage of 100. So if I give here 30, you'll see that I have 3 goals, so the last goal weightage is 20. So I have to make sure that the sum of all the goals should be the total weightage, should be equal to the total weightage. Okay, so if I go to back, in this way I can set up the goal and then I will submit it. And once I submit it, it will go to the approvers system. So my immediate boss will approve the goal, or he can send back to me for improving the goal setup. And now if I look at this window Q1, so you will see that the period is ongoing. Let's see how the user will see this period, ongoing period. Period means when I submit the goal and my approvers approve it, then the period starts, and within this period time I will work as a user. I will work on achieving those goals. So this is the period time, so I can see the goal approval chain here, who approved the goals and everything. And here is my goal and details, what will meet the goal and what will exceed it, and the period is also mentioned here and the weightage. So I will work on here, and for example when I complete this goal, I can click on file attachment and I can provide an attachment of my goal achievement, or what I can do is I can provide a remarks. So I can provide any Google Drive link or whatever information I want to add here to prove that my goal is achieved. So I can upload it here, and this way I can achieve all those goals within this time period. So if I go back, for this window we saw how the period is ongoing, and for this window the period is done and the evaluation process started. Let's see how the evaluation process works. So in the approval chain of evaluation, you can see that the user already submitted the goal, and the first approver, that means his immediate supervisor of the user, my immediate supervisor, already gave me a rating and this is being reviewed by the second approver, and when this approver will complete his review, it will be reviewed by the third approver. So here three approvers are there, so when they will complete the approval, the total rating will be added to my profile. So if I go to previous window, I can see that the evaluation ongoing period was this. So for this window, the evaluation is already completed. So that means everything is done for this window. If I click here, I'll see that my goal setup was done. Here are my attachment and remarks, which I added with the goals. And here is the goal approval process chain. And here's the evaluation approval process chain. So evaluation goal setup was done, the period is done, and the evaluation is done. So this is a complete view of the window which is already done. If I go back and look at here, you will see that all my window which is ongoing I can see from here, and I will work accordingly to achieve my goals so that the goals are set up properly and the management can do the evaluation on my work. So this is all about users KPI profile. Thank you for watching this video. In our next video, I will show you something else of ProKPI. Thank you and bye bye.